Hey everybody, it's Miss Holt here, and I just wanted to give everyone a heads up about something that is going to be starting very shortly, and that is keeping track of what we call EOS points. And EOS is a system that we use for a lot of things, but one of the things we're going to start using it for is tracking how our students are upholding our community values, which is value our community, lead by example, and consistently engage. So what does that mean for you all? Every day your teachers are going to log on to EOS, and after each class, we're going to give you EOS points, right? And there are 3 points. Did you value your community that day? Did you lead by example? And did you consistently engage? And so your teachers hopefully will give you all 3 points if you are valuing your community, leading by example, and consistently engaging with their class. But you may end up losing points for various things. So you can see an example here of a teacher who may have taken away a couple of points. Maybe this student did not engage. Maybe they just logged into their Google Meet, but then went idle on GoGuardian, didn't participate at all. Maybe they didn't lead by example because they weren't actively participating. But maybe they were kind. They didn't say anything rude. So they were valuing their community in that way. So that's an example of what it will look like on our end. And then that will be when it shows up for you all, you will be able to see what you've gotten and what you have lost points on that day. I'm going to try to find a place to put this where it's less okay. So these are just some reminders. Your homeroom teacher should have gone over what a bunch of these community values look like for each of our categories: valuing our community, leading by example, and consistently engaging. But here are some of the examples again. So valuing your community, using kind words, respectful tone, being welcoming, respecting people's difference of ideas and disagreeing respectfully when you need to, paying attention to your surroundings and how it affects others in your class, not being distracting, that kind of thing, leading by example, asking questions in class, completing your work on time, being on time, not being tardy for meetings so that your teachers can focus on teaching, being appropriate and on task in the chat. Consistently engaging means coming to the Google Meets, logging into Canvas and doing your assignments on time, checking your email, checking Infinite Campus, staying logged into your Fayette County account, participating in classroom activities and then outside of class activities as well, asking questions, showing up for study hall, and communicating with your teachers is a big one for consistent engagement. So those are just some examples of how you can earn your points for your EOS score. And so hopefully this is what you all look like every day, because you're always going to value your community, you're always going to lead by example, and you're always going to consistently engage. If you have questions about EOS or how your teachers are going to use it, reach out to them. We are all happy to discuss what we are going to look for in our specific classes in order for you all to get these points. So that's a little brief overview of EOS. This is going to be starting very soon. Let your teachers know if you have any questions, and have a wonderful day.